In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Claude Code in 2026, step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Claude Code on your computer. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Anthropic account. This gives you access to the coding assistant and lets you start building directly inside the workspace. Once that's done, open Claude Code and either create a new project or open an existing workspace where you want your blog to live. If you're starting from scratch, it's a good idea to keep everything organized from the beginning. Create a dedicated folder for your blog so all of your files stay in one place and are easy to manage as the project grows. Now you're ready to describe your blog. This is where Claude Code becomes especially useful. Give it a clear prompt explaining what you want to build. You can mention the purpose of the blog, the style you want, your preferred color scheme, the pages you need, and any extra features you want included. The more specific your description is, the better the generated result will usually be. After that, ask Claude Code to generate the blog structure. Depending on your preference, this can include basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, or a project built with a framework. This step creates the foundation of your blog, so you have something concrete to work with right away instead of building everything manually. Next, take time to review the generated code. Look through the files and make sure the layout, content sections, and overall functionality match what you asked for. Even if the result looks good at first glance, it's worth checking carefully so you can catch anything that needs adjustment early. From there, customize your blog, update the text, swap in your images, adjust colors and fonts, refine the navigation menu, and make any other design changes you want. You can also continue prompting Claude Code to help with revisions, which can save a lot of time during the editing process. When your design is in place, preview the blog locally. You can run it using the recommended development server or simply open the generated files in your browser, depending on how the project was set up. This gives you a real view of how the site looks and behaves. Then test everything carefully. Check your pages, links, images, buttons, and responsive layout on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the results, save your changes so your latest edits are preserved. Finally, publish your blog using your preferred hosting platform. After it's live, you can keep coming back to Claude Code anytime you want to add new posts, improve the design, fix issues, or add new features.